ABC. I'm going to get ready for fun, pranks and scaring kids. So let's go.
Up.
So yeah, I just burped the ABC. That's what I got for this video. I mean, I'll do some more videos today, probably like maybe 3 more videos. Got a Facebook. Yeah, bye. Oh yeah, if you wonder what this is, I have Vaseline on my lips because they're already chapped, so yeah, bye.